Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating high-converting ads used to take hours of editing, scripting, and testing, but now AI tools are changing the game completely. Today, you can generate full video ads in just a few minutes without any camera, without any actors, and without any editing skills. But the real question is, which AI tool actually gives you better results? So I tested two powerful AI ad creation tools, Creatify and Arcads. Both of them claim to help you create viral, scroll-stopping ads using AI, but they work in very different ways. One focuses on speed and automation, while the other focuses more on realism and storytelling. I spent time exploring both platforms, understanding how they generate ads, what kind of output they give, and most importantly, how those ads actually feel when you watch them. Because at the end of the day, it's not about fancy features, it's about whether your ad can grab attention and make someone stop scrolling. So that's why, in this video, I'm going to break down everything for you. How these tools work, what makes them different, and which one you should choose based on your goal. Whether you're into dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or just starting out with AI ads, this comparison is going to help you make the right decision. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because one of these tools might be perfect for you and the other might completely change how you create ads forever. Let's get started. Now, let's start with Creatify. Creatify is all about speed, automation, and scalability. The whole idea behind this tool is to reduce the time it takes to create ads. Instead of manually writing scripts, recording videos, and editing everything, Creatify automates the entire process. You can simply provide a product link or basic input, and the AI will analyze it, generate a script, select visuals, add voiceovers, and turn it into a ready-to-use video ad. Not just one, it can actually generate multiple variations of ads in a very short time. This is extremely powerful if you are someone who runs ads regularly, especially in areas like dropshipping or affiliate marketing, where testing multiple creatives is the key to finding a winner. Instead of spending hours on one ad, you can create many different versions and see what works best. So clearly, Creatify is designed for people who want speed and volume. Okay? Now let's talk about Arcads, because this is where things start to feel very different. Arcads focuses more on realism and human connection. Instead of just generating random ad videos, it creates ads using AI actors, which means your video actually looks like a real person is speaking on camera. And this changes the entire feel of the ad. With Arcads, you usually have more control over the script, the delivery style, and the tone of the video. You can make the ad feel more like a real influencer talking about a product, rather than a typical AI-generated video. This is especially useful if your goal is to build trust, tell a story, or create ads that feel natural and engaging instead of overly automated. So if we break it down in a simple way, then Creatify is built for speed, automation, and testing multiple ideas quickly, while Arcads is built for quality, storytelling, and creating ads that feel more human and relatable. And this difference is not just small, it actually plays a huge role in deciding which tool will work better for you. Because depending on your goal, your budget, and your strategy, the best tool can be completely different. Okay? So if you want to explore these tools yourself while watching this video, you can find the links in the description below. You can check them out anytime and follow along. Alright, now that you understand what both of these tools actually do and how they are different from each other, let's move one step deeper and take a look at their features, because this is where you'll clearly see what each tool is truly capable of. So starting with Creatify, one of its biggest features is URL to video generation. This means you can take a simple product link and the platform will automatically turn it into a complete video ad. It analyzes the product, pulls out key information, and creates a script, visuals, and voiceover all in one flow. This makes it extremely powerful for people who want to create ads quickly without doing everything manually. Then, another major feature is AI script generation. Creatify can automatically write scripts for your ads, which saves a lot of time and effort, especially if you don't know how to write high-converting ad copy. On top of that, it also includes text-to-speech, meaning the tool can generate voiceovers in different styles and languages. Then, Creatify also offers AI avatars. It has a large library of avatars, even allowing you to create custom avatars or upload your own for more personalized content. This gives flexibility depending on what type of ad you want to create. Then, another important feature is bulk ad creation and scalability. Instead of creating one ad at a time, Creatify allows you to generate multiple ad variations quickly, which is perfect for testing different hooks and angles. It also supports different types of content like UGC-style videos, product demos, and branded creatives all in one platform. Okay? So, that was a clear look at what Creatify offers in terms of features. Now let's move to Arcads and see how its features compare, especially when it comes to realism and overall ad quality. So one of its main features is AI actors, where you can choose from over 1,000 avatars that act like real people in your videos. These avatars are designed to look and behave naturally, which makes the ads feel more authentic. Then, Arcads also offers AI voices that are designed to sound natural and human-like. You can generate voiceovers in multiple languages such as English, Spanish, German, French, and Italian, which makes it very useful if you want to target different regions or a global audience. These voices help deliver your script in a more smooth and engaging way, ultimately improving the overall quality and feel of the ad. Then, another key feature is its AI UGC video generator. You can input your script, select an avatar, and create user-generated content-style videos without actually hiring real creators. This is especially useful for marketers who want that influencer-style ad without the cost. Then, Arcads is also introducing AI video editing features, where you can add B-rolls, background music, captions, and transitions with just one click. This makes the entire editing process much faster and removes the need for manual video editing. Then, another interesting feature is emotion control. You can actually control how the AI actor delivers the script by simply describing the emotion you want, whether it's excited, serious, or friendly. This gives you more flexibility to match the tone of your ad with your message and audience. Okay? Now that you understand the core difference between these two tools, let's move to the next part and see how they actually work in real use, because this is where the difference becomes even more clear, both in terms of process and overall experience while creating ads. All right? Starting with Creatify, the workflow is designed to be extremely simple and fast. The moment you open the platform, everything is built around automation. You just need to provide a product link or basic information about what you want to promote. Once you do that, the AI starts doing its job in the background. It analyzes the product, understands the key selling points, and automatically generates a script for your ad. After that, it selects visuals, adds voiceover, and turns everything into a complete video ad. And the best part is, it doesn't stop at just one version. Creatify can generate multiple variations of the same ad, with different hooks, different styles, and slightly different messaging. This gives you multiple creatives ready to test without putting in extra effort. Okay? Now on the other side, Arcads follows a slightly different approach. Here, the process is more focused on control and presentation. Instead of starting with full automation, you usually begin with the script. Either you write it yourself or generate it with AI. This gives you more control over what exactly your ad is going to say. Once the script is ready, you move to selecting an AI actor. This is one of the most interesting parts of Arcads. You can choose from different AI-generated people, each with their own look, style, and personality. These actors then deliver your script in a very natural, human-like way, which makes the ad feel more real and relatable. After selecting the actor and adjusting the tone or delivery, the platform generates your final video ad. Compared to Creatify, this process might take slightly more effort, but the output often feels more like a real person talking rather than a fully automated AI video. Okay? So, if we break down both workflows side by side, Creatify is clearly focused on speed and automation. You give input, and it gives you multiple ready-made ads, while Arcads is more about crafting a specific type of ad with better control, better delivery, and a stronger human touch. All right, now that we've covered the features and overall capabilities of both tools, let's move to another important factor: pricing, because this plays a big role in deciding which one is actually worth it for you. So starting with Creatify, it actually gives you a free plan to begin with. In the free version, you get 10 credits per month, which means you can create a few ads and test how the platform works. It includes basic features like AI video ads, avatar videos, image ads, and even AI script generation. The only downside is that your exported videos will have a watermark, but still, it's a good way to explore the tool without any investment.
Then coming to the starter plan, which is designed for creators and solopreneurs. This plan costs $39 per month and gives you 100 credits. Here, you unlock all the main creation tools, along with access to 300 realistic AI actors, 10+ premium AI models, and around 40 ad templates. You can create videos up to 2 minutes long, use multiple aspect ratios like vertical and horizontal, and most importantly, remove the watermark. It also supports over 75 languages, which is great if you're targeting different audiences. Then they have the Pro plan, which is actually the most popular one and is built for marketers, business owners. This plan starts at $99 per month and gives you 200 credits with options to scale even higher depending on your needs. Here, you get access to everything, including 1,500 AI actors, 30+ premium AI models, and over 200 ad templates. You can create longer videos up to 10 minutes and even get advanced features like custom avatars, ad cloning, competitor ad tracking, ad launching directly to platforms like Meta and TikTok, and detailed analytics, okay? Now, another important thing to note is the yearly pricing. If you go with annual billing, the cost drops significantly. The starter plan comes down to around $19 per month and the Pro plan to around $49 per month, while keeping almost the same features. So if you're planning to use it long term, then this can save you a lot of money, all right? So that was a complete breakdown of Creatify's pricing. Now let's take a look at Arcads and see how its pricing compares, especially in terms of value and accessibility. So the platform offers 3 main plans: Starter, Creator, and Pro. Each plan comes with different limits and features depending on how many AI videos you want to create and how advanced the tools you need. The starter plan is the basic option and costs $88 per month. In this plan, you receive 10 credits per month and access to 300 natural AI actors and the ability to generate videos in 35 different languages. The platform also mentions a 2-minute wait time for generation, and you can create videos that play for 120 seconds. This plan is mainly designed for users who want to test the platform or create a small number of advertisement videos each month. Then the next plan is the Creator plan, which costs $176 per month. This plan includes 20 credits per month and everything that is included in the starter plan. In addition to that, you also get 1,200 seconds of AI avatar talking, 100 AI avatar reactions, and the ability to generate 100 AI videos. It also unlocks extra tools like motion control using Kling and Wan. The plan also includes access to 1,000 nano banana credits, which are used for additional AI features inside the platform. And finally, there is the Pro plan, which is designed for businesses and agencies that need higher limits and advanced functionality. This plan costs $440 per month and provides 50 credits per month, along with everything included in the Creator plan. In this plan, you can generate 3,000 seconds of AI avatar talking, and you get access to 1,000 natural AI actors. It also includes integrations like 11 Labs and the ability to clone your own actors. Then, on top of that, users receive ad performance guidance, API access, and 3,000 nano banana credits for additional AI capabilities. Okay? Now, it's also important to understand how the billing process works. The prices I mentioned when you choose the yearly billing option. However, if you decide to go with a monthly plan instead, the initial price appears slightly lower. In the monthly billing option, the starter plan costs $77 per month, the Creator plan costs $154 per month, and the Pro plan costs $385 per month. So, at first glance, the monthly option might look cheaper because the starter plan starts at $77 per month. However, there is an important catch that many people might miss. After the first billing cycle, when the plan renews, the starter plan price increases to $110 per month from the next month. Because of this, the monthly option can actually become more expensive over time. On the other hand, if you choose the yearly billing option, the starter plan costs $88 per month, which stays consistent throughout the subscription period. So when you compare the long-term cost, the yearly plan can actually be the more stable and cost-effective option. Okay? Now that you've seen the pricing of both tools, if you're thinking about trying them out for yourself, you can find both of their links in the description below. I'd recommend checking them out on your own, exploring the features, and seeing which one actually fits your budget better. All right? Now let's come to the final conclusion. So, which tool should you actually choose? So, if your main goal is to create ads quickly and test multiple ideas without wasting time, then Creatify is the better choice for you. It's built for speed, automation, and volume. You don't have to overthink the process. Just generate multiple ads, test them, and find what works. This makes it perfect for beginners, dropshippers, and anyone who wants fast results. All right? But if your focus is on creating high-quality ads that feel real and build trust, then Arcads is the better option for you. It's designed for people who care more about storytelling, presentation, and human connection. If you're promoting something where trust matters, like a personal brand, service, or higher-ticket product, then Arcads can give you that extra edge. So, the decision is actually simple. If you want speed and quantity, go with Creatify. If you want realism and quality, then go with Arcads, okay? Now it's your turn to take action. If you're serious about creating better ads and actually getting results, don't just watch this video and move on. Click the links in the description, check out the tools, and start testing them yourself, because the faster you start, the faster you'll understand what works for you. And who knows, your next winning ad could come from one of these tools. So don't wait, take action now, okay? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with someone who's also interested in AI tools or online earning, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.